welcome to my garage and welcome to my new restoration project. Another Land Rover, 2.25 diesel, Series 3, going onto a galvanised chassis. And I put my cup of tea down and I'll give you a walk around it. As you can see, there is stuff everywhere, literally. Right, I'll spin the camera around, give you a quick walk around it. It's going to be just a quick introduction video on what's going to be coming up in the new year, what sort of stuff I'm going to be doing. And I'm just going to try and video as much of this as I possibly can to put it out there. But yeah, I'll spin the camera around, let's have a look. Right, as you can see, it's already in bits. It's a 1982 Series 3 county station wagon with the proper safari roof. I've got over there in that, it came with a load of Series 2A parts as well. I haven't made my mind up what I'm doing with them yet. They might get sold. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, there's going to be a fair bit of work on it. Not extensive, because obviously it's going onto a marsland chassis, so it's welding's going to be down to a minimal. The bulkhead, footwells, A-post's going to need a bit of work. You can see where it's bubbling up there, plenty of surface rust, but I've restored worse, a lot worse. So yeah, dash should be getting retrimmed, repainted, all new seals on it. I'll probably, if I can find somewhere relatively local, get them regalvanised, get all the cappings regalvanised and bits. But it's 2A wing there, bonnets and stuff. There's 4 van loads of stuff. 4 van loads, unbelievable. Yeah, all the doors and bits are there, bonnets. Yeah, it's going to have a full engine rebuild as well. The gearbox, the guy tells me that the gearbox was rebuilt just before it went off-road, so, well, a couple of years before it went off-road. So I'll clean that up and I'll probably try it. I'll bolt it in and try it, see how it goes. If it needs a rebuild, then it'll get one. Spare cylinder head. The engine. I've literally, as I was coming back, we just dumped everything in the garage, so it all needs sorting out. Engine's, yeah, 2.25 diesel. I was going to bolt it onto that trolley and do it and start it up where it is, but as you can see, I don't think it's worth it. There's no compression, so it's not. If it does run, it'll barely run, and there's no point doing any further damage to it. So I'll strip that down, get that rebuilt. I did do, if you flick back through my other videos, sorry it's spinning around here, if you flip back through my other videos, I did do a lot of videos on building 2.25 diesel engines, and a lot of the stuff's transferable to the 2.25 petrol as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The tub will get stripped all the way down, every single nut and bolt. What can be refurbed will be refurbed, and what need new will be replaced new. The door frame, another bit of welding. I don't know if you can see down there. The door frames will need repairing. The door skins are virtually mint. So yeah, if you want to see more, give us a like, a subscribe. I've recently started on it. I'm not one for social media, but I have recently started on Instagram. It's CSM_retro_restorations. I do bits on there, but not a lot. Yeah, if you want to see more, just like and subscribe, and in the new year we'll get this built bit by bit. I'm hoping it'll take less than 6 months to build it, including paint and everything, and I'll do everything myself pretty much, barring the odd bits. There's someone local to me that does fuel pumps and stuff like that, so I'll send that off to them. Yeah, thanks for watching, and have a good Christmas.